Weather continued today as a tornado touched down in Christian County. This picture was taken by a farmer there. The tornado traveled from 4 miles north of Stonington to just south of Macon in Macon County. Now, the good news is its path was through open fields. There were no reports of damage or any injuries. People we spoke with in Blue Mound were waiting out the storm in their basements. The farmer who took that picture says he wasn't sure what it was at first. Then he had to check his crops.
I thought it was just a dust tornado, but because it didn't make sense, there was no wind. We went out and we figured with the wet soil and the crops aren't very tall, so they're not real strong right now. We went out and drove around and looked, and there wasn't any sign of that anything had been ripped out of the ground.
Certainly good news there. Now, this was the 10th tornado in central Illinois in the last week.